There is a lot happening in real estate this week, specifically the case of Burnett v. NAR, or National Association of Realtors. What happened? Well, essentially the plaintiffs sued NAR and some other defendants and alleged a few things. They alleged that the defendants conspired to fix real estate commissions at 6%. They also alleged that the defendants used their market power to coerce the real estate agents into charging 6%. They also alleged that they used their coercion and force to make it very difficult for real estate agents to offer lower commissions to their clients, the buyers or the sellers, and ultimately they alleged that in doing so, they inflated the transaction costs that were passed along to the consumer in buying and selling a home. So what happened? Well, after a jury verdict, the case went to a jury, the jury deliberated, they came back with a verdict. The jury found in favor of the plaintiffs and awarded $1.8 billion in damages. They found them liable to that extent. So now that the jury awarded $1.8 billion to the plaintiffs, what happens next? Well, an appeal is inevitable. What are the grounds exactly? We don't know. We will only know when that's filed. But some of the things we know that they're going to appeal on are things like the defendants claiming the plaintiffs' attorneys distorted the law and the facts to the jury, and that the jury wasn't properly instructed on antitrust claims, so that therefore they didn't have accurate information when they made their decision. They're also going to appeal on the grounds that the evidence didn't support the verdict, meaning the two didn't align, so you can't go from 2 plus 2 has got to equal 4, right? It can't equal 17. So that's what they're going to argue there. They're also going to argue that their motion for judgment as a matter of law should have been granted by the judge. And what does that mean? Well, that means that the defendants filed a motion and said, hey, this case shouldn't even go to the jury. It should stop and you should throw it out here before it ever got to a jury. They filed that, the judge said, no, it's going to the jury, and then this is what happened. So they're going back and they're going to appeal that ground and ask for the Court of Appeals to review that and see if the judge was right or wrong in letting the case go forward. And lastly, we know that they're going to appeal based on the fact that they're going to allege that the damages awarded are excessive based on the facts of the case. So at the end of the day, this has all happened. This is a lot going on, huge numbers, a lot of implications potentially for a lot of people, for consumers, real estate professionals, everybody involved, and so many people that are tangentially involved in real estate, not just, realtors, agents and brokers and stuff like that, but real estate attorneys and lenders and home builders and everybody across the board. I mean, if you look at the web that real estate has, it's huge. So the implications are very, very far reaching. So what happens next? Well, we don't know. It's a wait and see. I mean, the legal system is very slow. It takes a long time. It took years to get to this point. Now appeals are going to happen. It's going to take years to get through those. Moreover, there's going to be more lawsuits filed. There already have been some filed by other, against other brokerages that weren't part of this original claim. So you're going to see pop-up litigation happening around the country with other defendants as well. So there is a lot to happen. We'll keep you updated as changes happen. I would love to hear what you guys think. But for now, just keep doing your job, take care of your clients, do the amazing job that you do, and stay the course.